This footage captures a critical safety failure during a lifting operation where a team attempted to lower a massive truck bed using a crane. Instead of maintaining a safe perimeter, workers manually steadied the load while it was suspended. Due to a shift in momentum or mechanical failure, the multi-ton structure suddenly dropped, resulting in a severe high-impact collision. This incident serves as a vital reminder to never stand under a suspended load and to always use taglines to control orientation from a safe distance. Rigorous equipment inspections and clear communication through a designated spotter are essential to prevent such life-altering accidents. Never trade your well-being for a shortcut. Complacency in high-risk environments can lead to irreversible consequences. In this footage, a worker operating a gantry crane stands directly beneath a heavy blue machine, manually pushing the load instead of maintaining a safe buffer zone. Due to a structural failure, the entire steel frame collapses, sending a massive crossbeam toward him. Thanks to split-second reflexes, he narrowly avoids a catastrophic impact. This incident highlights critical safety protocols for industrial environments. First, never stand under a suspended load. It is a vital golden rule. Second, perform routine equipment inspections on cables and hooks to detect structural fatigue. Third, always use taglines instead of hands to stabilize heavy objects from a distance, reducing personal risk. Finally, operators must maintain a safe clearance, staying entirely outside the danger zone. This video captures a sudden accident involving the improper use of locking pliers, illustrating how a single moment of overconfidence can lead to serious injury. While attempting to apply heavy leverage to a metal canister atop a steel drum, the pliers lost their grip due to an unstable connection point. Because the user was pulling with significant force, the tool snapped back toward his face the moment it slipped, causing him to lose his balance and collapse to the floor immediately. This incident serves as a serious reminder that shop safety should never be taken for granted. To prevent similar accidents, always secure your grip by ensuring pliers are adjusted to the correct width and locked in securely before applying force. Furthermore, mind your line of fire by never positioning your face or body directly in the path of a tool's potential movement. Finally, always wear personal protective equipment such as high-impact safety glasses or a full-face shield. When working with high-tension tools, put safety first! This footage captures a technician performing routine maintenance on an industrial water heater when a catastrophic pressure failure causes an instantaneous rupture. The blast force throws the worker back and fills the area with steam, highlighting the risks of high-pressure systems. To prevent such incidents, always follow lockout-at LOTO procedures and ensure the unit is fully cooled and depressurized before servicing. Never bypass a pressure relief valve as it is the final line of defense against a buildup. Maintenance must only be performed by qualified personnel using proper personal protective equipment like face shields. Regular inspections of safety valves are non-negotiable to ensure these pressurized units do not become hazardous during operation. This footage captures a critical safety failure where a high-pressure vessel suffered a catastrophic structural failure due to manual gas transfer bypassing industrial protocols. The resulting blast released a massive cloud of powder, demonstrating the immense force within these canisters. To prevent such accidents, always leave maintenance to professionals. Per NEFPA 10 standards, only certified technicians should recharge units. Every cylinder has a maximum allowable working pressure MORP, and exceeding it causes violent ruptures. Since invisible fatigue or corrosion can be seen, formal hydrostatic testing is vital. Furthermore, industrial refilling requires safety shields and regulated zones. Unauthorized tampering is a major liability and a violation of fire codes. If a unit is used or expired, take it to a licensed service center rather than attempting a dangerous die fix. This footage serves as a powerful wake-up call regarding the hidden dangers of improper compressed gas cylinder handling. In a confined workspace, an accidental high-pressure release occurred, creating a massive cloud and displacing heavy equipment with enough force to collapse shelving and damage the ceiling. This incident demonstrates that an uncontrolled pressure release can be just as destructive as an explosion. To prevent such disasters, cylinders must always be stored in well-ventilated areas to avoid gas buildup. They must be kept upright and secured with chains or racks, as a falling tank can shear off its valve and become a high-speed projectile. Only trained personnel should handle these systems, and regular inspections are essential to identify potential failures. Never underestimate the stored energy within these tanks. Strict compliance is the only way to ensure workplace safety. A scaffolding collapse in a narrow alley serves as a stark reminder of construction hazards. The structure failed due to weight and compromised integrity, but workers luckily avoided the falling debris. Potential causes include insufficient anchoring, unbalanced loads, or unstable foundations. To ensure safety, teams must perform rigorous inspections of couplings and base plates before use. Standardized installation with cross braces and secure tie-ins is essential to prevent lateral tipping. Workers should always wear proper PPE, including hard hats and harnesses, to mitigate risks. Most importantly, exercise stop work authority. If a platform feels shaky or begins to lean, evacuate immediately to reinforce the structure. Prioritizing these protocols ensures everyone returns home safely. This footage captures a high-risk warehouse incident caused by a lack of situational awareness. While a red forklift was stationary, a yellow unit approached from behind at high speed, failing to check blind spots or maintain distance. The resulting rear-end collision propelled the red vehicle forward, forcing a nearby worker to react instantly. Fortunately, the overhead guard performed as designed and no injuries occurred. This near miss highlights critical safety protocols. Operators must maintain 360-degree awareness, especially in tight spaces, and strictly adhere to speed limits. Using active signals like horns or blue lights at intersections is vital. Operating heavy machinery requires absolute focus. A single second of distraction can jeopardize the entire team's safety. This footage captures a high-risk situation at a construction site involving two workers near an open excavation. Due to a momentary lapse in caution and a lack of proper safety protocols, one of the workers loses their footing and falls into the trench. This incident serves as a stark reminder of why strict adherence to safety regulations is non-negotiable on any project. The absence of essential fall protection such as safety harnesses, perimeter guardrails, or safety netting combined with inadequate warning signs around hazardous areas can lead to preventable accidents. Every worker and employer must stay vigilant, prioritizing situational awareness at all times. Implementing robust safety barriers and providing proper personal protective equipment (PPE) is a moral obligation. Occupational safety must remain the top priority to ensure everyone returns home safely. This footage captures a serious industrial accident at a metal casting facility. While a worker was processing molten metal, an unexpected splash occurred, resulting in severe contact injuries requiring urgent medical care. While the official investigation is ongoing, preliminary reports suggest the incident may have been caused by inadequate personal protective equipment or a deviation from standard furnace operating procedures. This serves as a critical reminder of the inherent risks in metalwork and the absolute necessity of strict adherence to safety protocols. Molten metal operates at extreme temperatures and poses an immediate threat of thermal injuries or industrial explosions. Facilities must maintain state-of-the-art equipment and provide comprehensive training. Safety should never be compromised, as accidents can occur in a split second with life-altering consequences for everyone.